Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the truth Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Core 580 by 11 October November 2024. Read the instructions carefully so that you may not make any mistake. And question number 1 is, Jacob is 10 years 8 months old. Emmy is 15 months younger than Jacob. Find how old Emmy is. Students, we will subtract 15 months from 8 year and 8 months, and that will be the age of Emmy. So students, 10 years and 8 months. We have to subtract 50 months, so we will take 1 year carry from 10 year and remaining will be 9 year, and there are 12 months in 1 year, so the months will become 8 plus 12 that we are going to take carry. It will be 20 months, and when we subtract 15 months, so the Emmy's age will be 9 year and 5 months. So the Emmy's age is 9 year and 5 months. And B part, change 6.7 kilometers to meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we will multiply 6.7 with 1000 and it will become meter. There are 3 zeros with 1 and it is multiplying with 6.7. So we will move 3 digits. We will move 0.3 digit toward right, and it will become 6, 7, 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. So students, the answer is 6700 meter. And question number 3, measure angle X. We will take a protractor and put it the baseline of the protractor. This is the baseline. We will put this baseline on this line and this positive sign on the point where the both lines are intersecting each other. So students, when we put our protractor on this angle, according to my protractor, this angle is of 63 degree. So the value of this angle is 63 degree. Next question, B part. Write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. The angle that is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So it is acute angle. Number 4. A concert starts at 1950 and finishes 2 hours 42 minutes later. Work out the time the concert finished. So students, we will add 2 hours 42 minutes in 1950 and we will add 2 hours and 42 minutes. Keep in mind that 60 minutes make 1 hour, so when we add minutes, these minutes will become 2 and 4 5s are 4 plus 5 means 9. So 92 minutes. We will subtract 60 to make it 1 hour. So the minutes will be 2 and 6 will be subtracted from 9 and it is 3, and that will give 1 carry. So students, 19 plus 1, 20 plus 22. So the concert will finish at 22:32. 22:32. So students, it is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. Use one of these symbols less than, greater than or equal to make each statement true. And first statement is 2 by 7. We will use calculator to find what the 2 by 7 is. 2 divided by 7 is 0.2857 and it is 0.2861. So it is greater than this number. So 2 by 7 is less than 0.2857. 2861 because 2 by 7 up to 4 decimal places 0.2857. Now students, 99 over 900 as percentage, so 99 over 900 multiply by 100%, last two zeros will be cancelled with last two zeros, and 99 divided by 9 mean 11%, so both are equal. 1 to the power of 3 is 1 and 4 to the power of 0 is also 1, so these two are also equal. Question number 6. The stem and leaf diagram shows the number of cars sold each day by a company. This is the diagram. And 1 0 means 10, 1 3 means 13, and 5 4 means 54. Find the range. Range means the difference between maximum numbers and minimum numbers. So maximum number is 54 minus minimum number is 10. So the range is 44. So range is 44. Find the mode. Mode means most repeated number. So most repeated number is 27. Most repeated number is 27 because it is occurring 3 times. Question number 7. Find the reciprocal of one whole number 1 by 4. First we convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5. It is 5 by 4 and its reciprocal is, reciprocal means to convert numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. It will become 4 by 5. So the reciprocal is 4 by 5. Question number 8 is, this is a diagram. The diagram shows a quadrilateral. Find the value of y. We have to find the value of y. So students, if we produce this line, there will be two triangles. This angle will be equal to sum of 49 and 28 because it is the exterior angle of this triangle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, this angle will be 49 plus 28. 49 plus 28. The value of this angle is 77. And the value of this angle will be 180 minus 138 because it is a straight line. So 180 minus 138 and the value is 42. Now students, this is a triangle and sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. If we subtract 77 and 42 from 180 degree, we can get the value of y. So students, y will be equal to 180 degree minus 77 degree minus 42 degree, and the value of y will be 180 minus 77 minus 42 and the value is 61. So the value of y is 61 degree. Question number 9 is, Edith invests $3,000 in a saving account. The account pays simple interest at the rate of 2.6 per year. Calculate the total interest earned during the 3 years. So students, formula of interest is equal to P mean principal, R mean rate, T means time. So students, principal is $3,000, rate is 2.6% and percent mean over 100, multiply by time is 3 years. Now students, we will calculate. The last two zeros will be cancelled with the last two zeros, and we will multiply 30 multiply by 2.6 multiply by 3, and the simple interest is $234 for 3 years. So the answer is $234. Question number 10 is, These are the first four terms of a sequence. Write down the next term in the sequence. Now students, look at the term. First term is 10, next is 16, means 6 is added, and again if we add 6 in 16 it will become 22. Again 6 is adding, and again if we add 6 in 22 we will get 28, and again we have to add 6, and when we add 6 in 28 it will become 34, so the next term will be 34. B part of the same question is the term to term rule for another sequence is multiply by 3 and subtract 1. The fourth term in the sequence is 68. So students, fourth term is 68, and fourth term will be, according to this rule, fourth term will be equal to 3 multiplied by third term minus 1. So students, fourth term is 68, and this one is subtracting on right side. When we transfer it to the other side it will become plus, and this 3 is multiplying with third term, and we transfer it to other side it will divide, and the third term will be 68 plus 1, 69 divided by 3 means 23, so the third term is 23. Question number 11. The circumference of a wheel is 198.55. Calculate the diameter of the wheel. Give your answer in millimeter. So students, it is given in centimeter. First we will find the diameter. And students, formula of circumference is pi d. D we have to find. And the value of pi is 22 by 7, and circumference is given 198.55. Multiply by 7 by 22, because pi will divide toward left side and it will be the value of d. And 198.55 multiplied by 7 divided by 22, and the answer is 63.18 centimeter is equal to diameter. As we have to find the value of diameter in millimeter, so we will multiply centimeter with 10 to get millimeter. So diameter will become 63.18 multiplied by 10 millimeter. As there are 10 millimeter in 1 centimeter, that is equal to diameter. And students, the answer will become, there is only one zero with 1, so we will move our point toward right one digit, so the answer will become 631.8 millimeter. Question number 12. The grid shows half of the shape which has a line of symmetry. Complete the shape. Students, it is line of symmetry, so we have to complete the shape. As it is, we can say that it is not a horizontal or vertical line, it is a diagonal. So for completing the image we have to move 1 2 3 4 unit downward, 1 2 3 4 up to this. We have to draw this line from this. And now students, look at this point. It is 1 2 3 unit upward right, so we have to move 3 unit toward left, 1 2 and 3, and we will join these 2 points, and then we will join these 2 points, and we have completed the shape. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we have completed the shape. Now students, look at question number 13. 13 question is, find the value of 6c plus 7d when c is 3 and d is minus 4. So we will put the value of c and d in this expression. 6 into, in place of c we will write 3 plus 7, and in place of d we will write minus 4. 6 3s are 18, plus and minus both are multiplying and it will become minus. 7 4s are 28. 18 minus 28 mean minus 10, so the answer is minus 10. Now students, B part of the same question is 6x plus 8 is equal to 11x plus 4. We will take the like terms in one side. I will transfer 6x toward right and 4 toward left, and it will become 8 minus 4 is equal to 11x minus 6x. So 8 minus 4 means 4 is equal to 11 minus 6 means 5x, and 5 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and 4 divided by 5 is equal to x. So the value of x is 4 by 5. Question number 14, write 34 as a percentage of 80. So we will convert 34 divided by 80 into percentage. 80 multiplied by 100%. So students, we will use calculator. 3400 divided by 80, and the answer is 42.5. 42.5. So the answer is 42.5%. Next students, a bus stops 25 times on a journey. The table shows the number of people who get on the bus at each stop. Calculate the mean. To find out mean, we have to find product of f and x. It is x, so first we will find the product of f and x. 0 multiplied by 1 means 0. 1 multiplied by 6 means 6. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 4 multiplied by 5, 20. And 5 multiplied by 2 means 10. Now we will find the sum of frequency and sum of fx. 1 plus 6, 7, 14. 14 or 4, 18, 20 and 25. Now students, we will sum these numbers. 6 plus 14, 20. 20 plus 12 plus 20 plus 10, and the answer is 62. Let me confirm it. 20 and 20, 40, 50, 60 and 62. So the mean is equal to summation fx over summation f, and fx is 62 over 25, and when we divide 62 by 25, the answer is 2.48. 2.48 is the mean. 2.48 is the mean. Question number 16. There is a diagram. The diagram shows the trapezium with parallel side of length 12 cm and w cm. These two lines are parallel lines. These arrows are also indicating, and 8 is the height of the trapezium. Area of trapezium is 78. Find the value of w. So students, area of trapezium is is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by height multiplied by sum of parallel lines or parallel sides. So students, area of trapezium is 78. So here I will write 78. This 2 is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply. And the height of the trapezium is 8. Multiply by sum of parallel sides, and sides are 12 plus w. So students, 78 multiplied by 2 means 78 multiplied by 2 is 156, and 8 is multiplying on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, is equal to 12 plus w. 156 divided by 8 means students 19.5. and 12 is adding on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will be subtract. So 19.5 minus 2 means 7.5. So the value of w is 7.5. Next students, the distance d meter measures 34.6 meter correct to 0.1 meter. Complete this statement about the value of d. So students, if this number 34.6 is rounded off to one decimal place, it may be 34.65. 64, sorry, 64, or it will be 34.56. 34.55, not 56. If we round it off 34.55 to 1 dp, this 5 will give 1 carry to this number and it will become 34.6. And when we round it off 34.64, 4 will not give the carry, so it will become 34.6. So students, 30 D will be less than 34.64 and D will be equal or greater than 34.55. Question number 18 is, the diagram shows a rectangle and 2 points P and C on a 1 centimeter square grid. This is the diagram. Write down the coordinates of point C. The coordinate of point C, C lies on y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be 5. So the coordinates are 0 and 5. B part, the rectangle is enlarged by a scale factor 2 with the center of enlargement C. Find the coordinates of P. So students, coordinates of P are 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have to enlarge it with the scale factor of 2 by taking center as 0 and 5. So center is 0 and 5. To make this point on origin, we will subtract the coordinates of the point of enlargement. So P naught will be 7 and 3, and scale factor, as scale factor is 2, so the prime of P naught will be, we multiply both the coordinates with 2 and it will become 14 and 6, and it is the image of P naught, not P. So find out the image of P. We have to add the number, the coordinates that we have subtract. So P prime will be, we have to add the coordinates of C, 0 and 5. So the points of image of P will be 14 and 11. So students, the coordinates of this point P will be, image of P will be 14 and 11. C part is, students, find the area of the enlarged triangle, whereas the area of original triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. So area A1 is 15. Area of 2 we have to find, whereas scale factor is 2. So we will apply the formula area 2 over area 1 is equal to square of scale factor. So students, area of 2, I mean to say that area of enlarged triangle we have to find, and scale factor is 2, so we will take the square of 2, and A1 is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply, and A1 is 15. So students, area of enlarged triangle will be 4 multiplied by 15 means 60 centimeter square. So the area of enlarged triangle will be 60 centimeter square. Question number 19. Joe asks some people if they own a car and if they own a motorbike M. 86 people own a car, 39 people own a motorbike, 7 people don't own a car or don't own a motorbike. So students, this circle is indicating cars and this circle is indicating motorbike, whereas 7 people don't have anything, so we will write 7 outside of the circle, and 86 people are having cars and 74 are written, so left 12 people are have the car is written in the sector that is common between car and motorbikes. Now students, 39 people are having motorbikes, 12 are written here. So left 39 minus 12 that are written here will be written in the sector outside of the common region, and that is 39 minus 12 mean 27. Now students, look at motorbike circle. It is total 39, this and this one, and look at the circle having car 74 and 12, it is 86, and 7 people have nothing, neither car nor motorbike. Now students, first part of the question, complete the Venn diagram. We have completed it. 74 plus 12 mean 86, 27 plus 12 mean 39, and 12 people are the people who have car as well as motorbike, and there are 7 people in the question that are mentioned have nothing, nor car nor motorbike. So first part is complete. In second part, B part, find the total number of people that Joe asked. So total number will be 7 plus 74 plus 12 plus 27. So the total people will be 7 plus 74 plus 12 plus 27, and the total people are 120. So the total number of people Joe asks are 120. Write down number of entries in C intersection M. So number of elements in C intersection M are 12. Question number 20. Josh buys a car for $7,800 and sells it for $5,265. Calculate his percentage loss. So students, first we will find loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus sale price. Cost price is $7,800 minus sale price is $5,265. So students, loss is 7,800 minus 5,265. So the loss is $2,535. So loss percentage will be loss over cost price. So loss is $2,535 over cost price is $7,800 multiply by 100%. So last two zeros will be cancelled with last zeros, dollar will be cancelled with dollar, and now students, 2,535 will be divided by 78, and the loss percentage is 32.5. So the loss percentage is 32.5. Question 21, A part, factorize 28x minus 35. Now students, look carefully that 28 and 35 both are the multiples of 7. So 7 will be common. 7 is the factor of 28 as well as 35. So when we take 7 as common, from 28 left over will be 4, and x is not taken as common, so x is written minus. From 35 we have taken 7 as common, so left over will be 5. So the factorization is 7 into 4x minus 5. And B part, make or the subject of the formula T is equal to R by 4 minus P. So students, first we will transfer P to left side and it will become plus. So it is T plus P is equal to R by 4, and 4 is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply, and written as 4 into T plus P is equal to R. So R is equal to 4 into T plus P, or you can write 4T plus 4P. Next students, question number 22. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. Now students, look at the linear equation. 5x plus 6y is equal to 9, and 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 17. So students, if we multiply second equation with 3, the coefficient of y variable will be same 6 and 6 when we multiply minus 2 with 3. So students, it will be 9x minus 6y is equal to minus 51. All the coefficient or all the numbers will be multiplied with 3. And now we will sum up equation number 1 and 2, and 1 is 5x plus 6y is equal to 9. And students, we will sum up 9x plus 5x means 14x, and minus 6x and plus 6x will be cancelled, and minus 51 plus 9 means minus 42. You can use calculator. If there is one number positive and other is negative, students, you will write minus 51 plus 9 and you will have minus 51 plus 9 and we will have minus 42. And 14 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the other side, it will divide, and x will be minus 42 divided by 14, and when we divide 42 by 14, the value of x will become minus 3. Now students, we will put this value in any of the equation. I am going to put the value of x in equation number 1. So it is written as 5 into minus 3. In place of x, we will write minus 3 plus 6y is equal to 9. 5 3s are 15, so minus 15 plus 6y is equal to 9. 15 is minus. When we transfer it to the other side, it will become plus. So 6y is equal to 9 plus 15, and 9 plus 15 means 24, and 6 is multiplying. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide. So the value of y is 4. So x is minus 3 and y is 4. Question number 23. Without using a calculator, work out. You must show all your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So students, first we will convert these mixed number into improper fraction. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, so it will become 16 over 3 minus 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 means 25 by 7. Now we will take LCM. LCM will be 21. We can take LCM of 3 and 7. None of the factor is common between 3 and 7. So 3 1s are 3, 7 as it is, and 1 as it is, and 7 1s are 7. So 7 3s are 21 is the LCM. 21 divided by 3 means 7, and 16 multiplied by 7 means 6 7s are 42. 4 carries, 7 1s are 7, or 4 11. It is 112 minus 21 divided by 7 means 3. 3 multiplied by 25 means 75. Now students, we will subtract 75 from 112. 12 minus 5 means 7, and here is 10 minus 7 means 3. So it is 37 by 21. Now we will divide 37 by 21. 21 ones are 21 and 16. So the answer is one whole number 16 over 21, and we can't simplify 16 and 21. So the answer is one whole number 16 over 21. Now students, last question of this paper is the diagram shows part of a regular polygon. The interior angle of a polygon is 132 degree larger than the exterior angle. Calculate the number of sides of this polygon. So students, first we will find the value of x. Sum of interior and exterior angle is 180 degree because both angles are on the straight line. So students, x plus 132 plus x is equal to 180. We can write degree as well if we want. So students, x plus x will become 2x degree and 32 is plus on left side. When we transfer it to other side, it will become minus. So 180 degree minus 132 degree, and it will be 180 minus 132, and the answer is 48. And 2 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and the value of x, degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of x is 24. Now students, we know that the sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree, and exterior angle is x, and number of sides are n. So first we will write the formula. Sum of exterior angles in any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So students, exterior angle is 24 degree and number of sides are n. So n multiplied by 24 degree is equal to 360 degree, and 24 degree is multiplying. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide. 360 degree over 24 degree, degree will be cancelled with degree, and 360 will be divided by 24. 360 divided by 24, and the answer is 15. So the polygon has 15 sides. And students, it is the last question of this paper. I hope that you have understood all the points, and if there is any ambiguity, you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can mention your problem in comment box. I will try my level best to respond to you as soon as possible. And at the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.